Welcome, DIKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered if the universe is just a giant cosmic quantum computer running on meaning? Forget the warm-up. We're diving straight into the deep end of quantum semantic unification. Buckle up. Alright, let's quickly recap the quantum weirdness we all know and love. Superposition things being in multiple states at once, like Schrödinger's cat, but less furry. Then there's wave function collapse. Bam. Measurement happens, and suddenly it's either this or that. And don't get me started on entanglement, particles whispering secrets across impossible distances. These aren't just party tricks, they're fundamental puzzles about reality itself. Determinism versus randomness. The jury's still out. This quantum quagmire is where our story starts. Now, let's bring in DKWP data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. Sounds familiar from AI circles, right? We're proposing a radical idea. Map these layers onto quantum processes. Think of it as a quantum semantic tensor. Data is a raw quantum state, like a qubit's amplitudes. Information pops up with interference patterns, those phase differences, matter, knowledge. That's the magic of entanglement, creating interconnected structures, like a quantum knowledge graph. Wisdom emerges when we measure collapsing the quantum fuzziness into classical results, and purpose. That's us, the conscious observers, setting the experimental goals, influencing the whole shebang. It's like DKWP gets a quantum makeover. Okay, here's where it gets really spicy, consciousness. Von Neumann and Wigner kicked this off decades ago. Maybe consciousness isn't just along for the ride, maybe it's the ride. They suggested only a conscious observer can truly collapse the wave function. Our model takes this further with the semantic observer. Your intent, your purpose, actively shapes which quantum state you observe. Is consciousness just a fancy way for the universe to perform self-observation via quantum mechanics? Could meaning be a fundamental physical process, not just something in our heads? Mind blown yet? Let's zoom out. What if the entire universe is this massive quantum semantic network? From subatomic particles humming with quantum info to galaxies buzzing with cosmic intent, everything's connected. Life, especially conscious life, is the crucial link, taking raw physics and weaving it into knowledge, wisdom, even purpose. Think of it as fighting semantic entropy. Life builds order and meaning locally. There's a constant tension. The universe wants to maximize disorder, but life and consciousness push back, seeking structure, seeking meaning. It's a grand cosmic tug-of-war between physics and semantics. So, how do we test this crazy idea? Simulate DKWP agents on quantum computers. See if they behave like our model predicts. Design experiments to catch semantic collapse in action, maybe using quantum cognition tasks philosophically. If bits underpin everything, what does that mean for free will for purpose? John Wheeler's it from bit feels present. This isn't just theory, it's a potential unifying framework for understanding how matter and meaning are two sides of the same quantum coin. Food for thought, wouldn't you say?